All right, let's talk a little bit about what I like, many traders call style drift. What is style drift? You should have one or two go-to ways to make and pull money out of the market as a trader to start with. Stick with one vehicle, whether it's the S&P, the NASDAQ, oil, gold, beans, I don't care what it is. Own it, trade that asset well, understand how it operates, when to trade it, how it works within your time frame, your schedule, your narrative, your style. All right, whether that's long only, short only, neutral, market neutral, spec arb, define whatever it is, the way that you're going to pull money out of the market. Trade it, own it, learn it. Do that well with one vehicle. You can do it with any number of vehicles, and then you can expand your horizon. Okay, so that's one type of trade, if you will. Now, what I mean by style drift and why this can be a detriment is everything doesn't work all the time. And this is where you're going to have to learn a second type of trading and a third type of trading, but you can't build until you have a foundation. So you have to start slowly. But what I mean by style drift is if you have something that consistently makes you money over the course of years, it should consistently continue to. Maybe not as well. Everything works for some periods of time during certain types of markets with volatility, without volatility. So you need to have strategies around what type of market you're behaving in, and that comes only with time. What do I mean by style drift? Well, if you are a trader that trades in 5-minute or 240-minute time frames, you shouldn't be looking to trade off the monthly chart. That's a simple example of style drift. If you're a trader that speculates primarily in equities and primarily in the Dow 30, you shouldn't shift over to the Russell 2000. They're going to trade entirely differently. So those are two simple examples. But what I really want to focus on here is you need to focus your time and your effort, which you have limited amounts of, to make money in the markets in an area that you can do this consistently. If you start style drift hopping from one to the next, you're never going to get any consistency in your trading. So please, as if you can advance runners in baseball just by getting hit by the pitch or getting a walk, or getting safe on a throwing error. You don't have to get a home run every time. And in trading, it's the same way. You are moving the chips higher by getting hit by pitches, pass balls by the catcher, wild pitches by the pitcher, and you've scored. It's as simple as that. Stick with something that works consistently. Don't style drift from there, then add the second layer as you go. This game is for the longevity. It's not a get-rich-quick game. Please don't style drift. Focus on what makes you money slowly and securely. Define your risk and play ball.